guys, Kevin, Blind Luck Mechanic, 100% blind car enthusiast. Doing what I do, doing what I love. We're going to test the antifreeze on this today. I got the radiator cap off. So you're going to take your radiator, your coolant tester, your antifreeze tester, stick it in the radiator if you can find it. Then you're going to get a sound barrel. Then you hold it up to the sunlight. Then, then you taste it. I'm just kidding. That's not how you test it. So I'm gonna pass it off. What's that say?
-7.
-7 degrees. So we're probably gonna drain a little bit, put a little bit of antifreeze in it, and get it numbers bumped up just a little bit. But thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and do all those things. Thank y'all. All right, guys, back here in the gangster. Antifreeze only held at -7. I just sucked out of the top of the radiator what I could, which wasn't much at all. I don't know. I'm hoping I can crank it up, get to circulate. I don't know. Maybe take out some air pockets and maybe get to take a little more, really, because the petcock or the drain on my radiator's messed up. So the only way to essentially get any antifreeze out of the system is to take the bottom radiator hose off. Not 100% against that, but I don't want to if I don't have to. It doesn't have heater core hoses, so I can't do that. I could loosen one at the intake, but I hate to kind of make a mess on the engine. So if I have to, I will take the bottom radiator hose off. But let's see, this will be a cold start video as well. I splashed some fuel down the carburetor, so I'm not even gonna give it any. I'm gonna give it one accelerator pump. See what it'll do. It did that. That's what it did. Yeah, I don't like this cold weather when I choke. Trying to crank it, but giving it just a tad bit of throttle. See if we can get it to clear out and keep running. Yep, it did that. I think the timing's off on it, but we're going to check that as well later. I mean, you can keep it running there, but it does not like life, and you have to, I don't know, just like pat the gas, 10% throttle, pat the gas, you know. I don't know if you can hear that though, but I'm like just patting the throttle real quick, try to keep it running. And once, I don't know, once you, get a little bit of heat in the plugs or something. Oh man, I think I did put the step cooler plugs in it when I was getting ready for nitrous. I don't know, that probably got something to do with it. You get it idling and that's fine, but I'm going to end this video and let the thermostat open up and then see what we can do on some antifreeze. I abandoned the idea of letting it idle and circulate and getting the air pockets out. I don't really trust that. I'm just going to go ahead and take the bottom radiator hose off and drain about, I don't know, about half a gallon, and then just top the system off with 100% concentrate. So it was good to -7. We got about a cup and a half in it. I don't know if that's going to do anything to it, but when I put this half a gallon in it, it should be good for, I mean, Arctic temperatures. So got my screwdriver. I'm gonna crawl under. I can't shoot that because I'm here by myself, but be back in just a minute. Did better than I thought. Got almost a whole gallon in it, so she should be super good there. Shouldn't have to worry about it. Should have just done that from the get-go. Just open that bottom radiator hose, let it piss some off. Sorry. Alright, we're gonna fire it up, let it warm up, and let some of that circulate into the block. Yeah, say once you get it warmed up, it cranks up fine. When she cold, she don't like it.